What's up, guys? Air conditioner medic today. I got home from work and it was 80 degrees in the house. I was like, oh no. But I had a gut feeling that it was the capacitor. There's the old one. Now it don't look ballooned up. And this one's probably going on, I want to say 3 or 4 years old now. But the trick is when you order these, order two and put one away to where you can find it. It took me about 20 minutes to remember where I put that thing 3 years ago. But I found it, and that's what fixed it. Just a capacitor. She's cold. Oh yeah. Cold, cold. It's not a lawnmower repair, but at least we got some cool air coming. It's 90-something degrees here in Texas. Y'all have a good day. More Medic One.